Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from UDCYD. In our last two videos, I showed you how to open up a free alibaba.com buyer's account and how to complete your profile. In today's video, I will show you how to identify suppliers on alibaba.com. There are three types of suppliers to look out for: the Gold Supplier, the Verified Supplier, and the Trade Assurance Supplier. Once you understand these terms and what to look for when sourcing for products on the platform, you are one step closer to a safer transaction. I will break these videos down into three simple parts, and today's focus is on the Gold Supplier. If you haven't subscribed yet, do hit that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any content, leave a comment, and if this video has helped you in some way, do give it a thumbs up. So the first thing you'd have to do is log into your alibaba.com account, right? And we are looking for a Gold Supplier, so you'll click the drop down button here by products and click suppliers. But before we go there, what is a Gold Supplier? Simply put, these are paid members on the platform that have gone through on-site checks and recognized as a legally registered business. These are verified businesses with commercial and industrial capabilities. So for example's sakes, we will search for farming equipment and search for our Gold Supplier. So after you've typed in farming equipment, this will appear. So we're looking for a specific type of icon. We're looking for the Gold Supplier icon. So as you can see here, this is the Verified Supplier icon and this is the Trade Assurance Supplier icon. So we're looking for the Gold Supplier icon, so we're going to scroll down all the way to the end. Okay, here we go. So this is the Gold Supplier icon, right? This circle over here. So let's click on tractors, for example. Then we will scroll down and click on the profile. So as you can see on this interface, this supplier is both a verified supplier and a Gold Supplier. And you can notice this by both of the icons, Verified and Gold Supplier. They've been a Gold Supplier for 5 years, and they are both a manufacturer and a trading company. So you can browse through their products, their profile, contacts, video footage, ratings and reviews, and so forth. So you have just learned how to find a Gold Supplier on the alibaba.com platform. Do catch us for our next video as we look for the Verified Supplier.